So hi guys and welcome back to my video. So you might be wondering what is this and why I had turned on the timer. So this is my Asus Vivobook 15 and this is the performance of my laptop before upgrading RAM. And I have fast forwarded this, otherwise the video would become very long. So it is having 4GB RAM right now and I bought another 4GB RAM to insert in my laptop. So after upgrading, the RAM of my laptop will be 8GB. So at the end of this video, I will also show you the performance of 8GB RAM. So as you can see, the power light is still on. It means the laptop is still on. Okay, so it took 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Okay, so now let's upgrade the RAM of my laptop. So this is my Asus Vivobook 15 and the model is X515JA. First we will flip the laptop and then remove all the screws of the back panel. So now let's remove this back panel. Now as you can see, this is the upgradable slot for RAM. Also make sure that the RAM supports your laptop. Now keep your RAM at 45-degree angle and make sure that the golden color part of your RAM enters. Push down the RAM firmly. Now once you have completed, then you need to screw up the back panel. So now let's turn on the laptop and check whether the RAM has been detected by our system. Okay, so as you can see, my RAM has been upgraded to 8GB. That means the RAM has been detected by our system. Okay, so it took 3 minutes and 41 seconds. But before upgrading, it took around 4 minutes and 56 seconds. That means the difference is of 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay, so this was of today guys and I will meet you in the next video.